Hello everyone, my name is Ben from TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Are your HDMI ports not working? The most common fix for a faulty HDMI port is swapping out the main board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV back up and running. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today has you covered every step of the way. For as little as $20 and 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get back in the action. Check out our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.